Good morning, everyone. It is December 16th, class number 10 for Kyushu Institute of Technology in Iizuka. Today, or I should say this class, is the last class for December. So that makes it the last class for 2022. When we come back, it will be in January, on January 6th, because the 23rd will be an on-demand class. So certainly you can come and you can use this room, no problem at all, because we still have a few things that we need to do next week too. Before we get to that, let's take a look at what you have to do this week. There's not that much. Basically, check the homework answers here for chapter 10. The Quizlet that I gave you for 11A for the next chapter, probably we will not do this today, but it's still very useful for you to study that a little bit in preparation for the test. And you have a reflection that you have to do for tonight. So nothing special this week. Although there was an announcement by the university that if you did not sign up for the December 11th test, for the TOEIC test, okay, you have a second chance for the TOEIC test this weekend. If you missed it, you forgot, and you didn't go, okay, a lot of people didn't go. Apparently, the university noticed that only half of the students that should take the test actually took the test. So they made another test. But if you want to actually go to take that test, you have to, today, you have to go to the co-op, the Seikyo. You have to go to the co-op and make an application today by 5 o'clock. Okay? So please make sure that that's something that you're doing. If you didn't take the test, you have to take that test. All right. Let's see. Oh yeah, and then the 23rd. So because I'm not going to be here, I'm going to go over the assignments for the 23rd. You have another Quizlet, which is also still very good for you to check out. And then you have a reading quiz that's very similar to the listening quiz that you've done before. You have your homework submission for chapter 11 and reflection on this video that I want you to watch, and then make sure that you answer that before 11 o'clock Friday next week. Okay. Otherwise, remember, our next class will be on January 6th. I'm still working on it, as you can see there. On January 6th. You can use this room on the 23rd, certainly, but I will not be here. We won't be having a class here. I just want you to do all of the assignments that you have for the Moodle that week. Okay. If you have any questions, you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com. Otherwise, let's have a good class today.